Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an Octopus Swirl neck wrap push pin. Now I know that's a big mouthful because it basically tells you what bits you've got there. You've got an Octopus Swirl and you've got a neck wrap push pin. Basically you're using the neck wrap push pin as the exit from an Octopus Swirl. So it's a nice combination. Links to those two moves in the description below, because obviously it's going to be a lot easier to learn this if you already know those parts, so that way you can find them easily if you haven't done them already. The move looks like this when you put it all together. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So it's a nice kind of fancy version of an Octopus Swirl. Let's break it down. It starts like a standard Octopus Swirl, so we're going to go back. We're going to go right over the guy, lady across the back, other hand low. As you let go, the hand slides. We do a turn. We pick up from the elbow. The guy steps in to start a second one. And obviously you could do as many as you like before you do the neck wrap exit. But what's going to happen this time is you're going to take the right hand in onto the shoulder. As the lady starts in behind the shoulder, you bring the left hand up to join it. Both over to the left shoulder as the lady goes round. Left is going down as we turn the lady with the right. So the left slides up to the shoulder. Bring the lady all the way round to the flat right hand. So this is just standard neck wrap push pin stuff, and you've got the arm across the back. Try not to use the lady as an armrest. Good tone, push. Once the lady's started, pull over the top, coast all the way around and back out. Okay, so let's go from the other side to get the other view, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, right hand up 2, lady round the back 3, turning the lady 4, guys step in 5, bringing the left hand up 6, over to the left 7, turn the lady 8, flatten 1, return 2, and back 3. You can do that count faster as well, because you can kind of join a couple of the things together that you might want to separate when you're learning. But we'll take our time. So let's try it. Here we go. 5, 6, Octopus Swirl, neck wrap push pin, back, right up, round, turn, guys in, right in, 2 hands over, dip and turn, flat, return spin, and back. Technically it's a turn, technically it's just a big return, but most people call it as a return spin for some reason. Okay, that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel, and the notification bell means you get told when a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.